Welcome in. My name is Jeremy. Thank you so much for tuning in for the feasibility study workshop. We are anti-change order, and if you've got land, this is where you want to be at. When it comes to you planning out what you're trying to accomplish, you need everyone hands on deck. That is a turnkey team with the experience that you know that they're not going to try and pigeonhole you into a specific direction in your project. I have seen over 100 million in projects die simply for the fact of the things that we're going to be covering in this workshop. You need people who understand your business model, not just the building type. You need people who understand different funding options that are not going to be handcuffed by very specific in the box types of approach. And you need a team that can maneuver and pivot without any specific exclusivities from a contractor perspective or from a material perspective. When it comes to ground up construction and land planning, there's much more involved than most people want to admit, just for the sake of trying to lock you up into a contract. With that being said, jump into the workshop with me and join me and my team, and let's unpack every aspect of this. So this way you have a very, very clear path forward. So this way you're not having to endure and take on, recalculate, and try to rebudget for unnecessary change orders. Because here's the thing, here at the Tiny Home Plug, we are anti-change order task force, and that is exactly what we want you to get from when you go through this workshop, to understand how we prevent as many different change orders as possible ahead of time through our planning methodology. I would look forward to seeing you in there, and I appreciate you and your consideration for us.